Mullen Automotive. Guys, this is another stock that is currently trending right now in Benzinga. It's all over the place. I currently own this stock, by the way. Just so you guys know. By the time of this recording, Mullen stock is currently trading at $2.87 a piece. It's currently down in the after hours, but um, just why do I want to talk to you guys about this stock? Well, this stock is for me, this is the least expensive EV stock if you want to uh, get exposed in the EV place in the stock market. This stock is currently very cheap and it's affordable. When I started trading this stock, when I started buying this stock, it was 80 cents a piece. So, um, yep, I'm not gonna tell how much is my position, but just so you guys know, I think I've already um, earned quite a bit of position with Mullen Automotive, and I look forward with a nice future with this stock. Okay, so why did it gain? This stock gain my attention. First of all, if as soon as I've seen their car that they have posted in this in their website, like if you go and check and see their Mullen 5, look at that. It's most likely, because I failed miserably with Lucid, right? I started investing in Lucid, but with Lucid, I think it's more expensive now. Although I kept my shares with Lucid, but this Mullen, right? The Mullen car, right? They look expensive, and at that time it's just trading at 83 cents, 85 cents a piece. I got pretty excited, so I started investing in this stock. Okay, so, well, what started all these, right? If you go to their newsroom, right? It all started with them as soon as they announced their EV manufacturer progress on solid state polymer battery uh, packs, on February 28th this year. So that caught everyone's attention. So Mullen is kind of ahead of the game, but the only downside is, of course, if there's an upside, there's a downside. They will start uh, rolling out these cars on their high-end cars on uh, 2024. Correct me if I'm wrong. That will be 2024. Okay, so but of course, on top of that, they are rolling out all these. They already have orders with another company, and that we'll be talking about later on in this video. So right after that news, this February, I mean this March, last month. So it's already April last month. Um, I also came across this article, financial website Insider Monkey Names, Mullen Automotive, a top penny stock to buy in March. Well, at that time, like I said, it's probably trading at a dollar and change, right? Then it went to Carbuzz, the five. Mullen featured on Carbuzz the 5 EV crossover production plans and market uh, strategy. It was also discussed, and it was also featured in Yahoo Finance Live, the Mullen Automotive. And yep, the latest news that we got is Mullen strengthens its balance sheet. Of course, like Bitnile Holdings, they invested in this company, so most likely they'll be able to strengthen their balance sheet. Um, and they have an upcoming share offering that will be triggered at around $8. As soon as it goes to $8, the HUSA deal will be triggered. So that's also coming in the pipes. Okay, by that time, the stock itself will be very, very volatile. Okay, so as you can see here, this was announced during the interview with the Mullen CEO. He confirms that a Fortune 500 company has purchased the vans in Q2. So it is currently Q2, April. So, I presume that any maybe a week or two from now, we will actually get the news who is that Fortune 500 company that placed an order for their vans. Okay, so you can go to their website. Okay, it's currently here about the kind their EV fleet vans. Okay, that this was also shown in Twitter of mayor or something. You can also check that out in Twitter if you're following this company. Like I said, guys, personally at this kind of levels, $2.87, it's very cheap and affordable if you want to actually get exposed in the EV sector. Okay, the EV sector is not going anywhere. Okay, clean energy is not going anywhere. So this is the future. Okay, Tesla is maybe ahead of the game. You know, some Chinese companies is ahead of the game. Yeah, that will be true, but this is another American company that wants to focus, right? They have the technology, they have the right amount of people, they have the factory that in Michigan, that they currently have. So this is not going anywhere, right? So as I've said before, like any other stock, right? This stock has been, pushed down all the way from $12.95 last year, going back to 70 cents, 55 cents, I think. Yeah, 55 cents, something like that. So for me, this is a buying opportunity. There's a lot of people interested in this stock. There's a lot of financial institutions that have already invested in this stock. So yeah, you can go to the historical prices. So you can see here that somewhere around February, see, it went all the way to 53 cents. This stock. There's no such thing as an EV company that is worth 53 cents, you guys. Okay? So, what else do we need to talk about Mullen? So what are we expecting ahead of next week? Okay. By the way, okay, ahead of next week, let me see. So here is the chart for Mullen Automotive, right? So when in doubt, zoom out, like I always say, right? So if you go to the weekly chart pattern, this chart looks a lot like the same chart that AMC, GME, Bitnal Holdings, right? They have almost the same chart. So if you zoom out, yep, the stochastics is on the way of blowing up. Okay, so the price action is still here. So we have a lot of room on the upside. Okay, so if you zoom out on a 5 minute chart, I like the 5 minute chart because I actually do some day trading in the during the stock market hours. So the 5 minute chart, as you can see here, um, okay, last Friday, right, at the end of the trading hours, if you zoom out, okay, that's crazy. So the VWAP just passed right above the 200 EMA, and the 9 EMA just crossed over your 200 EMA, which is a bullish price action. Okay, so this is a buy. So this is the bullish indicator that most traders use in order for them to start buying the stock. So ahead of Monday, I'm expecting there will be a huge price action. Okay, so like I said, as soon as the 200 EMA crosses over your as soon as your VWAP crosses over your 200 EMA, the sentiment of the stock becomes bullish, and there will be some volatility in the market. Okay, so if you go to my 5 minute charts, I've drawn out some levels here, which is the price that we are about to expect. So if we have a support here, somewhere around $2.65, but I'm not expecting us to go there. The stock should be able to respect the 200 EMA. So just in case it would go down, a good buying opportunity will be on somewhere around $2.82. I'm expecting for us to bounce above this level, then it will shoot right up. Depending on the price action, the pre-market on Monday, I'm expecting. So if it gaps up on Monday, like it would shoot up right away. I'm expecting for us to see the stock in a very bullish sentiment. But like I said, even though it moves up, it should at least um, respect your 200 EMA. If it retraces for a little bit, you have a support here at around $2.81. Okay, our next level of resistance should be at around $3.54. Like I said, for me, this stock is very bullish. If we go to the news, one of the top 20 most search ticker in Benzinga is, okay, let me scroll down, Mullen Automotive. Okay, I think among the list, besides IMPP, Imperial Petroleum, this is one of the cheapest stocks. So once again, uh, Yeah, if you have any questions regarding regarding the Mullen stock, you can just send a reply in this video. Okay. And there's one more, by the way. According to analysts, this stock, their price target is on a low is $23, on an average is $23, which is the median, and on the high is $23. So it has a one buy rating. So as we proceed throughout the journey of Mullen Automotive, our journey with Mullen, I'm expecting the stock to move high. Okay, once again, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. Thank you for watching my video.